Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate for the week of May 6th through 12th. Wow. I'm always amazed at what the date is. It feels like, January takes forever and then we're in May. What I'll be decorating with, sidetrack, what I'll be decorating with are some stickers from According to Allie. I'm an affiliate for her, so if you want to purchase any of her stickers, you can use code Karina10 to get 10% off any of her stickers. So what I'm using today is going to be a combination of Talk of the Town, so in light of Bridgerton, and then her Tea Party collection. I thought the two of them would go really well together, but then I'm also going to incorporate her lavender alcohol ink and probably some of the cobalt alcohol ink. I love all of her alcohol inks. They're just so, they're printed on clear matte and they're just fantastic and they go with anything. Let's get started. I think first thing I'm going to do is probably cut one of these in half, and I'm going to place some along the, one here, probably one here, and then a blue one here and a blue one there, but we'll see. Because I want to make sure I also have enough for the daily spreads. So let's cut this one in half. And I'm pretty bad. I haven't even watched Queen Charlotte yet. Oh my gosh, I know. I need to actually have alone time to watch it. I cannot watch it obviously with my kids in the house or during my work day because yeah. But I have watched seasons 1 and 2 of Bridgerton and I am really excited for season 3. So by cutting the stickers, and this isn't the first time I cut stickers down like this, I do this actually pretty regularly because I think like that or that one and that one up there, because I think, if you have a planner that you don't have a ton of space to be able to make these stickers work for you, then cut them down. I'm overthinking which way to cut it. Cut them down so that you can use one sticker in 2 different parts of the spread. So this one will go here. And wow, that is off center. That is okay. This is one of the things about having a book-bound planner is I remember when I was in disc bound and I could just, take the paper out of the planner and then plan that way. Whereas with the book bound, you're moving the whole thing, but it's not a big deal. And there. The thing I love about a book-bound planner is how chunky it gets. My planner is pretty chunky. So, and let's go ahead. I just want to see how many I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, that is perfect for my daily spread, so I will not use any more. I'm going to place this, actually, see, already this is hard because what am I going to use where? I love the tea here. And I thought these two would go together, one because they have similar colorways, but two, I mean, having tea is just such a British thing. Tea doesn't normally look like this. Tea is, when I lived in Britain, was just, oh, perfect. Let's do this one here. Tea was a greeting, would you like a cup? Have a cup of tea as soon as you walk into somebody's house. And I miss that. I miss there's something so comforting about walking into somebody's house and then just sitting down with them and having a cup of tea. To me, it was just so welcoming and so comforting to be able to, just go around to someone's house and have a cup of tea. And I miss that. I miss that. Let's put the gloves here. Then we'll decorate the top portion here. So we'll add breakfast tea, here with, The thing is though, I don't have lemon or honey with my breakfast tea. It's milk. But yeah, I love my orange pico. So that's cute, and that still leaves me enough for the daily pages. I'll leave that as is, and then I will put a few more here. I think I'm gonna put this. Ooh, very careful. Put this one right here. There we go, so I can still see the date. And then let's do the B. And then I think one more would fit perfectly here, and then the rest I will leave for, see, there's a cup of tea there too. And the rest, let's do the letters. And then the rest I will leave for my daily spreads. Okay, I think that's a good spread out, good layout of stickers. Gosh, I didn't even know what I was trying to say there. And then I had a hard time picking what ink I wanted to use because, let's see, with my currently inked, I wrote them down before I even did my currently inked spread, just so that I could get an idea of what order everything was in, and now I cannot find it. But here we go. Let's see. So, like, that's more of a blue than a purple. And there's a little bit of green in here, but it's not enough. I do like Queen and Castle in here. I thought that was more purple, but it now looks more blue. And I feel like actually probably Pilot Iroshizuku Shinkai and possibly Aurora and Klingner Alt Goldgrün. So I will keep it to those. So we have my Zodiac Penco in Abalone. And this has Pilot Iroshizuku Shinkai. And on the side here is where I draw out the graph for my sleep score. And normally I get anywhere from 5 to 6.5 hours of sleep, but the sleep score can range anywhere from like 70% to mid 80s. And I mean, it doesn't help when Lucy wakes me up in the middle of the night. Then for workouts, we will use my Pelican M800, which has Rohrer and Klingner Alt Goldgrün. So Monday is my stepper. Tuesday is week 6, which will be upper body. Wednesday, week 6 lower. And I think after this week, I'm gonna start a new program. Thursday is the stepper. Friday in repeat, so week 6 upper. Oh, that's such a wet pen and ink combination. Week 6 lower. And then Sunday is the stepper. Perfect. Alrighty, and then down here at the bottom, before I fill out everything else, I am going to add my habits. So we'll be listening to my audiobook, which I haven't been very good at this week, and read 10 to 15 pages and meditate. I feel like these are going to be the same goals for me for the rest of the year, because some weeks I'm really great at them and other weeks not so much. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead in here and write in my work shift. So let's cover that area so I don't smudge it, because I do have the tendency to do that. So work and work. I try to alternate the pen and ink color if I can on the different days as well. I know that the lines aren't straight, but there's a certain part of me that's like, the Imperfect lines add character. And I also don't mind it being imperfect. It is what it is. And then adding in for Tuesday and Thursday. And I was trying to think if there was anything else that I needed to worry about this week in terms of work. As in, am I going to be off early on any of these days? And I think, nope. I'm excited for the following weeks after this week because they're all going to be, the rest of May are going to be short 3-day weeks for me, ish. More into that in future plan with me. Okay, so, all right. So now going in to add the day today, I still managed to smudge it. Okay, so Monday, my big to-do, or to-dos are gonna be to meal plan and order groceries. Tuesday, let's get out my sticker book or sticker album. This is also from According to Allie. I love this thing. Let's find the garbage cans. There they are. Oh, I'm gonna have to either get more or actually print out some of my own. Or I think actually I got some from the Coffee Monsters Co. I need to double check that. So put out garbage. Oh, and my husband has his acting class. And then nothing Wednesday. And then Thursday is my husband picks up groceries on Thursdays. Oops. I love these little icons from Paper Bits Co. They are so cute. I love being able to order our groceries online and just pick them up. It saves me time, but also really in the long run saves me money because I don't have to get tempted by anything, you know, that I see that's not on my list. Basically, I stick to my list and I stick to my budget by doing this all online. Next thing is Friday. Let's see, let's get my other sticker book here. There we go. I need my weighing scale. My mini icons. So, what pen color or what pen and ink? So this one will actually have to be at like 9:30 at WW. And then I'm gonna take out, and this is not one, this is an icon that I don't use that often, and that's only because I only get a massage once a month. Where is it? I count it under my relaxing, which is like reading, napping, facials, and yes, I know I have lots of stickers for napping. I love that there are stickers for napping. So this is for a chiropractor, but I use it for my massages. And I get a lovely hour and a half massage. So hold on, 10-20 massage. And then I planned a big day for myself. Then after my massage, where did I put the rest of them? After my massage, I have a manicure. Gosh, it'll be almost 4 weeks by the time I get these done. And I normally don't leave it that long, but it's just been crazy. So 12:30 manicure and braids. Perfect. Then after that, so if I'm done about 1:30, that literally gives me, you know, head home, have a quick lunch, and then go off to pick up the kids. Then I will take the kids for boba or bubble tea. It's the last one on the sheet. I have to get a new one. And there we go. Oops, take kids to Coco. Okay, no other plans that day. And then no plans that I know of yet on that Saturday. Thinking. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna use one of these laundry stickers because we do have to wash the bed linens that day. Oh, wrong pen. Gosh, my desk. Wash bed linens. And I know the 12th is Mother's Day, and we don't have any plans because I wanted to spend time with my extended family, so like my parents and my sister and my brother and their significant others and my aunt as well. But my parents are actually going away. They're going to Vegas, so they won't be here for Mother's Day. So we're not going to really do anything on that day. So I'm just putting away some stickers to help some of this clutter. But we now have 2 events happening on Sundays. We have Robin's badminton, and actually somebody pointed out I wrote R at bad. Yeah. Well, I'll put Henry's first. And he goes to Ninja. And then Robin's is 11:30 to 1 at badminton. Badminton, goodness gracious. Okay, that's all I think that I need to put in here. I'm keeping it pretty open because in terms of how I'm filling it out, I'm just adding what I've done or little things that have stood out to me in the day. And I love it when it's all filled out. All right, let me tidy up here. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked these stickers from According to Allie, they are available in the description below, and you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.